Hi guys, I have here what is the ultimate in bird scarers. It's the wheel of a electric bike, and I've mounted it on top of what is a collapsible clothesline, which I picked up at the recycle centre and for a couple of dollars. It runs off I've still got the battery attached to the carrier that the bike came with. Goes on the bike, so you turn it on with the turning it on. The lights come up. Give it a bit of throttle, and away it goes. And the beauty of it is, it actually works. Keeps the birds away. They can't quite work out what it is. So we'll just get it going again. Let's get it going again. And that's it there. The plastic ribbons could be a bit longer, but it's fine the way it is. Hope this gives someone a couple of ideas, and good luck with keeping the birds off.